Transferring money from a Rapid card to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to your Rapid Pay Card account online or through your mobile app. Then, you need to navigate to the Transfer Funds section of your account. Here, choose your bank account from the list of linked accounts. Here, you will get to see all the available options. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details and confirm your transactions. Make sure all the details are correct and accurate, which will help you avoid any mistakes or delays. Your Rapid Pay Card balance will be reduced and the transferred funds will be credited to your bank account in 2 to 3 business days. You can transfer up to $5,000 per day and a maximum of $25,000 per month. Rapid Pay Card does not charge any fees for transferring money to your bank account.